Hello guys, and welcome to Epic Mentorship. In today's video I want to share with you how to activate the Gmail signature at the end of your Gmail with even your picture attached to it, so that your emails can look much more professional when you are sending them. Okay, so to enable this feature, all you need to do is to open your Gmail. You can open your Gmail account, and then you can come all the way at the top here to settings. When you come to settings, you click on settings, and then you can see a bunch of other settings here, but you can just click on see all settings. When you click on see all settings, you don't have to go far. You just stay at the general tab over here, because there are other tabs: labels, inbox, accounts, and imports. You can just stay on the general tab and you come all the way down. When you come all the way down here, you can see the signature over here, and you're free to create a new signature. For example, you can just create a new one and you can call it anything. You can call it Epic Collections, and then you just click on create, and then you have to put the details over here. For example, so you are free to play around with this text. There's a bunch of fonts you can play around with. You can put these fonts, you can play around with the sizing, or you can make it normal, and you can bold, you can italize, and then you can underline if you so wish, and you can put some link to it. Okay, you can put in link and you can rearrange accordingly. Now we want to add in a picture to this. For example, we can bring in a picture. We can just click on this and we can navigate around to bring in a picture, either within our Google Drive, or we can just navigate and upload a new one. So you can just click on create, upload, and you can come all the way, let's say, to this picture, and we have this picture as a sample and I'm bringing it in. Okay, so we have just pasted it in as a sample. We can make it either large or small. Let's make it small size, and you can see it over here, and you can make it below, or you can bring the text above. You can rearrange accordingly as you so wish. So let's say we are using this signature. We have range of them. You have this one, I have this, I have this, I have this, I have this also. But let's say we are using with the Epic collections that we just created now. Okay, so let's say we are going to use Epic collections. So you come over here and save changes. You just save the changes and you're good to go. So let's try to create a new email, and you can see our default signature is just here. So you can just type in your recipient email and write your subject, and then you can start typing your message over here, and once you're done, you can just save directly. So you can just write maybe your recipient email and maybe subject. Okay, and you just write the text and then you can send. And alternatively, if you don't want to put this signature at this point, you can just come to this icon, insert signature. You can click on it and see which of the signatures do you want to use. Okay, you can use the AB one and it will just take it by default, or you can check Epic Mentorship and it will just enable it by default, and you can just write your email and just send. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how to create the signature in your Gmail, and then you can use it at any time to send it. If you want to edit this, you can go through the same process we've created, and then edit and save. Once you are done saving, it's going to take effect. Ladies and gentlemen, if you enjoyed this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, and always remember to hit the subscribe and notification button to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.